In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off and disable the snipping tool on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select the accessibility item. And then on the right side, you want to go down underneath interaction and select keyboard. And then scrolling down again underneath on-screen keyboard, access keys, and print screen, where it says use the print screen key to open screen capture. Toggle this to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So then it won't use that shortcut key any longer. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.